Hi everyone, welcome to our class. Today we continue Unit 10, Lesson B from B3 to 5 on page 103, a bad toothache. Firstly, we have some new words. Surgery, check, kind, smile, serious, clean, notice. Okay, repeat on the new words. Surgery, check, kind, smile, serious, clean, notice. Look at the picture. Whose is he? He is Minh. Who is he talking to? He is talking to Hoa. And now look at Minh. What's the matter with Minh? He has a toothache. Where is he going to? He is going to the dentist. Let's look at the passage. We will listen the passage on page 1.
3. Listen and read. Minh is sitting in Dr. Lai's surgery. Dr. Lai is checking his teeth. Dr. Lai is kind. She smiles at Minh and says, "Don't worry, Minh. You have one small cavity, but it isn't serious. Your other teeth are fine." Minh is very happy. Dr. Lai fills the cavity in Minh's tooth. She finishes in less than 10 minutes. Minh is very pleased. Then Dr. Lai sits down and talks to Minh again. "How often do you brush your teeth, Minh?" she asks. Minh looks worried again. "Oh, well, sometimes I forget to brush my teeth." "Try not to forget," Dr. Lai says. "Brushing your teeth is very important. Clean teeth are healthy teeth."
Now complete the story. You read the passage again and complete the story. You have 5 minutes to do the task and then check the answer. Minh is very nervous and Dr. Lai noticed this. She smiles at Minh and tells him not to worry. She explains one of his teeth has a cavity. He has to brush them regularly. After Dr. Lai fills his tooth, Minh leaves. He is very pleased. Continue, look at my example. Why does Minh go to the dentist? Because he has a bad toothache. Ở cấu trúc này thì chúng ta có từ để hỏi là why và câu trả lời là because. Bây giờ các em sẽ làm một vài ví dụ về câu hỏi why và because. A tooth hurt have cavity. Min's tooth is hurt. Why? Because he had a cavity. Now question B, C, D, you need to do by yourself. Okay, let's check the answer. Min is nervous. Why? Because he is going to see a dentist. B. The cavity isn't serious. Why? Because it's small. Question D. Min is happy. Why? Because his teeth are okay. Next, tell me some ways to take care of your teeth. How about toothbrush, toothpaste, brush? How often do you brush your teeth? How often? Do and don't do, việc mình làm và việc mình không nên làm. For example, you should brush teeth after meal and you shouldn't forget to brush your teeth. Now think the way to take care of your teeth and check my answer. Use a good toothbrush, use a good toothpaste, go to the dentist, and you shouldn't eat much candy, okay? You shouldn't use an old toothbrush and never go to the dentist. The last part is homework. Read the boxes again at home, write sentences to take care of your teeth, and prepare Unit 11. Okay, thank you for watching the video.